Hi everybody, it's Chisholm with Results Realty Atlantic, and I'm here at 1200 Matheson, East Matheson Road in Glengarry Station. Now this house is pretty phenomenal. Log construction and done to the nines. This place makes you feel like you've gone to like a ski chalet, but it gets to be your home. It's pretty crazy. So this place has also got a massive garage. So if you're looking for a space that you need for toys and cars and all that fun stuff, this is going to be the house for you. So listen, you're going to hear me talk a lot more. So let's go see the rest of the house and you can see what it's all about. What did you think? I know, this place is pretty cool. It's a space that makes you feel like you're just home and you're cozy and you're warm, and I just want to spend a Christmas here now. So anyways, give us a call, book your private showing, and we will see you all soon.